Now we are going to do the second experiment, that is frequency modulation and demodulation. So we will begin with the basic thing, that is first we will take the message signal. For that we have to place this knob into the knob named sine output. We have to place that knob and the other knob to the ground, and then we have to connect it to the CRO.
And this is the message signal.
Yeah, for the message signal we are doing this. That is, the connection is like this. The ground signal and the sine output signal, and that is connected to the CRO, and this is the waveform which is of the message signal. Now the second part of the experiment is to get the carrier waveform. For that we have kept the ground at the same point, and the second point, which is most important, the input signal, that is input feedback to the CRO, is this point where it is between C13 and C14. The pin
Number
between,
T90.
Yeah, the pin between C13 and C14, or it is between those two transistors. We put the pin there, and that is fed to the CRO, and we will get the required waveform for carrier. Okay. Now we are going to start with the modulation part, in which the message signal is fed to the modulation part, where this is further fed to the varactor modulator, and the output of the varactor modulator can be found from this point above the diode IC4B. So we have connected it to the CRO, and the output output waveform will not be clear. To make that a little bit clear, we will,
yeah, as you can see, like the waveform is very distorted, and it has a lot of noise. So to clear it up, we are adding another wire from the noise input to ground. This will help contain the distortion, right? And it should be near about like this. And this is modulated.
This is for the modulation part.
Modulation part, okay, of FM.
Yeah. You can see for the demodulation part, all the connection earlier are the same. Just we are taking the output from the varactor modulator to the amplitude limiter input, and then the output of the amplitude limiter is fed to the quadrature detector input, and then the quadrature detector output is fed again to the low pass filter input, and the output of the low pass filter is connected to the CRO.
What is this?
This one is, you can see the circuit, in the circuit the parts are written, that is, this portion is amplitude limiter, this portion is low pass filter.
So this is the input of the low pass filter.
Yes.
And the output will be from here, and this is ground.
Yeah. Everything is written in the circuit.
This will be the waveform, which is like dancing very nicely. Okay.